Sons of nature. Frogs, birds, rapids in a river. They're all sons of nature. And so are the so-called laws of nature. Nature has all the divine qualities. Nature is omniscient. Well, first, nature is omnipresent without the creepy thoughts of an omnipresent God. Nature is omniscient. That's the sun. Omniscient and omnipotent. Particularly when we include, when we consider the laws, the so-called laws of nature, we have discovered the workings of nature. And these frogs and the birds and the rapids, they are all chanting, singing songs. But so is the universe. The universe is constantly humming with joy because of the songs that work it together. It's the song of gravity that makes celestial bodies attract each other. Well, all bodies attract. And we see it in the movement of the celestial bodies, on the falling of an object. It all follows certain music, certain predictability. Nature has even songs that are random and non-predictable. This uncertainty, the Heisenberg principle, a particle can be only located or is determining speed with absolute precision, but not at the same, both at the same time. There are the sons of electromagnetism, how electricity, charge, and current, and magnetic fields all interact. Even in the creation of waves, radio waves, cosmology, the suns of stars that are born and stars that die, sometimes quietly by shrinking into white dwarfs, or stars that grow gigantically, red giants, and they go supernova sometimes. We have been watching Betelgeuse of late because it seems to be dimming. And that's a red giant that maybe is dimming because it's ready to go supernova. Explode. The way animals, beings coordinate each other, a murmuration where birds keep an eye on nearby companions. They say 6 of them, and then the entire flock moves as one body and one mind. Or a flock of fish doing the same. Sometimes trying to escape a predator. Even viruses. The way they come and go and That's the sun. Spiders have a function. They reduce the number of sunny species, especially the ones that become too abundant and they need to be reduced in number. So the virus itself reproduces in the body of the abundant species, mimicking what the abundant species has been doing. There's no meanness in that. There's no cruelty. It's just a sun. There's no cruelty and a mosquito trying to bite me. We have been very mosquito free for a long time, but with the river coming up and the more rain, there seem to be more of them, and these are the mosquitoes, the dengue mosquitoes. I had dengue once, and that's a sad zone. That's a very difficult zone to endure. The sons of nature. Even the beauty of a catenary curve. You let a string and a rope hang from two ends, and you get this predictive and mathematical curve called a catenary. The weight distributes equally, and that's the curve. Follows an exponential function. Spider weaving a web. The strength, the extraordinary strength of a web. And the placement of the web to catch insects. And when an insect is caught in the web, it makes a sound. It makes the web, the entire web vibrate, and the spider detects that. And have you seen a spider go after a prey? I've seen them dropping a fly with the same thread they used to weave the web. The way we all reproduce, eggs, sperm, the cells that grow and have functions determined. Even aging and death are sons. Aging is a necessary process. That's the sun. The flow of the river since speed of the water, all this volume of water eroding the shore, taking rocks and sand and marching forward thousands of miles before getting to the ocean. We might be at least a couple of thousand kilometers from the ocean from here, on the river. The way this tree is growing right now, hundreds of thousands of leaves capturing light. Sinking into the air and transforming into energy. The roots reaching into the soil, going around the rocks. A living creature that sees in every direction. Doesn't go anywhere, doesn't need to, because it's day and night observing the sky. Sees rain, sees the stars, sees the sun in its daily sun, the procession across the sky. Nature is divine. If it was created by a creator, a god or goddess or goddesses, then it has to be divine because it's the creation of a divine being. But regardless of that argument, we can know for certain that nature, the universe, is divine because it has all the qualities of divine. Omnipresent, omniscient, omnipotent. The universe hums with joy, and the sons of nature connected it on.